Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talkin' Bullion. I got another package in the mail. This is something I picked up off of Instagram, something that I bought during an auction, and I did my research. I don't buy a lot off the auctions because of the high prices and the premiums, as you know, I don't like to pay. But this, when I looked on eBay, was being sold for about half the price of what the sold auctions were on eBay, and I figured it'd be pretty cool to have too, just because of the way things are right now. So I'm pretty happy I picked it up. Again, a high premium item, but may pay off one day, maybe not. Still pretty cool. So why don't we go ahead and take a look? Alright, so I can probably get away with just trimming off the top of it here. And even though this is a very popular Instagrammer, I'm sure almost all of you have heard of him, I'm not going to show you his name because I don't have permission to show you his name. But let's take a look at the initial packaging here. It's already looking pretty exciting. Now, I'll give you my thoughts on these as we go along here, but let me see if I can get this open, find out where the edge of it is. It's right there. Not going to be easy to open though. Alright, there won't be any saving of this package. You guys might have saw his label there, which I absolutely love his label. But again, without permission, I'm not going to show it. Well, that is a great sticker. Well, I'll go ahead and show you his label because it doesn't give you his name. Yeah, I think you guys know who that is. Silver Degenerates, established 2018. So, very, very popular Instagrammer. And this is what I picked up. Oh, my lights are going to hurt it. A PCGS MS70 Silver Eagle First Strike, direct from the U.S. Mint sealed box. So it's got the monster box picture. It's PCGS, which I like. And it's a 2020 American Silver Eagle. Now again, I picked this up on Instagram for what I think is a good price. I'm not going to say what I paid for it just in case he wants to auction more off or something like that. But I can tell you, when I looked it up on eBay, it was going for twice what I paid for it. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. And besides, picked up a MS70 2020 Eagle. Now we know the 2020s have been hard to come by. They have very high premiums. I mean, if you look at what these things are going for now, I mean, it would have cost more just to get it certified with the Eagle. So I'm pretty happy to have a graded Eagle, which I may have a few over the years, but I generally don't buy graded coins. And I have to get them, for trades, like with the Yankee box. That's where I got my last graded coins from. You can see here, let me do this. Let me put it down here like this. Let me see if I can zoom into it. That's a little bit better, right? You can see it's a PCGS MS70 Silver Eagle First Strike, direct from a U.S. Mint sealed box. I have to tell you, I'm not a big fan of first strikes. I don't buy it because it's a first strike. I really don't think that that's a meaningful designation. I think it's a marketing designation. I don't think it adds really any value to this coin. The biggest reason I bought it is for the 2020 on the bottom. So I think 2020 is going to end up being just a year we look back on, and things could have a lot of value from that year. So the 2020... and the fact that it was a perfectly graded PCGS MS70 Eagle. So that's the biggest reason I bought it. And again, got it for about half what it's worth right now. Now it could drop. Premium could drop on it. But it could go up as well. So I didn't buy it to flip it. I bought it because I thought it'd be really cool to have a 2020 Eagle in perfect condition. So what do you guys think, huh? Not bad, not too bad. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I'm glad I got it. Glad I was able to share it with you guys. And what do you think, huh? Would you have bought something like this just because of it being a 2020 and it being a perfect MS70? I think that's worth it. Let's look at the back, see if we can get a better shot on the back. Everybody knows what these look like, but this is supposed to be the last year of this back, so let's get a quick little shot of this beautiful eagle. Nobody knows for sure what it's going to be turned to or changed to, but it's going to change some way or another. So there you go, huh? Just another beautiful piece of silver. How can you not like that? Wow. I hope you enjoyed me showing you this beautiful lady, certified perfect from PCGS, and it is a 2020, and maybe someday it'll be worth more than it is today, but who knows? All right, thank you for watching, everyone. Take care, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.